So if you remember from yesterday, order of operation just means the rule you follow when solving a numerical expression. So let me write that down. The rule, and the rule is just PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Again, order of operation is just the rule you follow when solving a numerical expression. So if you forgot what PEMDAS mean from yesterday, we're going to go over really quick on what that means. Yesterday we really just focused on M, D, A, and S. Today we're going to add the E in there, so we're going to focus on E, M, D, A, S. We won't focus much on the P today. We'll do that tomorrow, but today we're just going to focus on E, M, D, A, and S. So let's start. The P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses, and it spells PARENTHESE. And parentheses are these two brackets that looks like this. Alright, again, I want to remind you that if you think I'm going too fast, please pause the video and then take the notes and then press play to continue. If you want to go back and listen again, please press the rewind button or drag it back and then press play so you can listen to it again. So let's continue. The E in PEMDAS is the exponent. And the exponent is spelled EXPONENT. An exponent is just, remember that if we have a base, that's the big number. Exponent is the small number, like the 2 on top of here. This is your exponent, that small number on top of your base. The M stands for multiplication. Spell MULTIPLICATION, and that's just the multiplication sign, the X. The D stands for division, and it spells DIVISION. That's the division. And in your homework, I think this is where the M and the D, the multiplication and the division. As I was looking at your assignment, I think this is where you guys got confused the most. Remember, in multiplication or division, you do it from the left to the right. If multiplication comes first from the left, then you do multiplication first. If division comes first from the left, then you do division first. The M and the D has no order. M does not come before D, or D does not come before M. You always have to start from the left and go to your right. Alright, let's continue on. The A and the S. The A stands for addition, and it's spelled ADDITION. Addition is plus. The S stands for subtraction. 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 And it works the same as multiplication and division. You start from the left and go to your right. If addition comes first before subtraction, then you do addition first. If subtractions come first before addition, then you do subtraction first. Again, A does not come before S, or S does not come before A. You start from the left and go to the right. And whichever one comes first, that's what you do. And yesterday I gave you a way to help you remember how to remember parentheses. And if you forgot, we can do that again today. So on the right side where it says how to remember, there are many ways to remember, but one way I showed you was the P, we can say please, so P-L-E-A-S-E, please, and then the E is excuse, please excuse, E-X-C-U-S-E, please excuse, the M will be my, the D will be dope, the A will be awesome, A-W-E-S-O-M-E, S would be swag, S-W-A-G. So one way to help you remember PAMDAS, if you don't want to remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction, just remember this sentence right here. Please excuse my dope, awesome swag. So P-E-M-D-A-S. One way to help you remember. Just remember, please excuse my dope, awesome swag. Alright, so with that being said, with that big review from yesterday, let's look at a few examples. So let's scroll down. Alright, I will do number 1, and I'll have you guys try number 2. I'll do number 3, and I'll have you guys try number 4. So number 1, if we have 27 divided by 3 to the second power, or 3 squared as we learned, plus 7, what does that equal? Well, let's look at our order of operation. Let's see if we have any P, any parentheses. Keep on going. Nope, no parentheses, no parentheses, no parentheses. So we don't need the P. What about the E? Let's see if we have any exponent. No, 27 don't have one. Oh, this 3 has an exponent, so we had to stop, do the exponent, and then continue on. So 3 square is 3 times 3 gives us 9. And let's copy the rest of this down. 27 divided by 9 plus 7. Alright, so let's check if there's any more exponent. Nope, no exponent here, no exponent here, and no exponent. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Multiplication or division. Start from the left, keep on going. Oh, there's a division here, so we can stop and do the division. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. And then copy the rest of this down. Check if there's any more multiplication or division. And nope. All we have is just this plus. So 23 plus 7 will give us 10. And this will be our answer. 2. 27 divided by 3 squared plus 7 will give us 10. Alright, let's have you guys try example 2. So let's say we have 24 divided by 2 to the third power minus 12. So please pause the video, try it, and then come back and check with my answers. Alright, welcome back. So let's check. Start with the rule, PAMDAS. So we start with P. Start from 24. Let's keep on going. Oh, no parentheses here, no parentheses here, and no parentheses here. So cross that out. Let's go to E, exponent. 24 don't have an exponent. Oh, but this 2 has an exponent. 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 to the third power is 8. And then let's copy everything else down. 24 divided by 8 minus 12. Let's continue to check. See if we have any more exponent. Nope, nope, and nope. So let's go to the next one. Multiplication or division. From the left, let's keep on going. Oh, here's a division. Let's do that division. 24 divided by 8 gives us 3. Copy the rest of this down, minus 12. Continue to check any multiplication or division. Nope, looks like all we have is a subtraction. 3 take away 12 equals a negative 9. Remember, it is a negative 9 because a 12 is bigger than the 3, and the sign in front of 12 is a negative sign. Hopefully, you got negative 9 as your answer. If you didn't, look at my work and see if it helps you see your mistake. Alright, example 3. Let's make it a little longer. And again, I will do this one, and I'll have you guys try example 4. So, let's say we have negative 12 minus 2 times 3 to the second power divided by 6. Let's see what that gives us. So, just like the other two examples, we are going to start with PAMDAS. Start with P. Let's check for any parentheses. No parentheses, so we can cancel that. Let's go to the exponent. So on the left side, let's keep on going. No exponent here, no exponent here. Oh, there's one right here. 3 to the second power. And we just did that in example 1. So 3 to the second power is 3 times 3 gives us 9. Copy the rest of this down. Times 2 minus a negative 12. Alright, continue to check for exponent. No exponent here, no exponent here, no exponent here, no exponent here. Good, done. Exponent is done. Let's go to multiplication or division. And this is again where a lot of you guys made a mistake. So we first start on the left. Check. Nope, no multiplication division, no multiplication or division. Oh, there's multiplication here and division right here. So think, where should we start? The rule says go from the left to the right, and we stop at multiplication first. So we are going to do multiplication first. So negative 2 times 9 gives us a negative 18. Copy the rest of this down, divided by 6. Continue to check for multiplication or division, and we saw that there was a division earlier, so we can do negative 18 divided by 6. Negative 18 divided by 6 is a negative 3. Copy the rest of this down. So continue to check if there's any more multiplication or division, and there's not. All there is just a subtraction. So we know that negative 12 take away 3, same sign, so we are going to add. 12 plus 3 is 15, but they both have a negative, so we're going to keep the negative, same sign. So your answer is negative 15. Alright, so if you're stuck or if you don't understand one of the steps, rewind and slowly work through it again if you're stuck. But if you're not stuck, try this next example. Let's say we have 4 take away 16 divided by 4 to the second power times 2 to the third power. Please pause the video for just a moment, try it out, and then come back and check your answer with my answer. Alright, welcome back. So let's do this together and check your work with mine. So again, we're going to use PAMDAS. Start with a P. From the left, let's check. Any parentheses, any parentheses, any parentheses? No parentheses. So PAMDAS, P can cancel. What about exponent? Let's start from the left. No exponent, no exponent. Oh, here's one. And here's another one. So let's do that. 4 squares just means 4 times 4, that is 16. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, and we saw that in example 2, and they give us 8. Alright, so let's copy everything else down. Put the multiplication sign there, the division sign there, the 16, the minus, and the 4. Alright, let's continue to check for any more exponent. From the left, no, no, nope, and no. Now let's move on to multiplication or division. Start from the left. Nope, we have a minus sign. Oh, here's a division sign. Oh, here's a multiplication sign. Which one do we do first? And again, this is where a lot of you guys made a mistake yesterday. So, the M and the D, just because the M is written first, that does not mean we do multiplication first. We look from the left, we go to the right, and we see that division come first. So we are going to do division, and then we will do the multiplication. So, negative 16 divided by positive 16 gives us a negative 1. Copy the rest of this down. And we just saw that there was a multiplication here, so we know that negative 1 times a positive 8 is a negative 8. Copy the 4 down. And let me move this screen up so I have a little bit more room. Alright, lastly, there's no more multiplication or division, but there is subtraction. So, 4 take away a negative 8 gives us a negative 4. Because we know that 8 is bigger than 4, and a negative or the minus sign is in front of the 8. So our answer will be negative 4. Again, if you have any question about the video, rewind back and watch it again. Ask Mr. Jeffrey for help, Mr. Jojo, Blanca, Mr. Omar, the substitute, or send me a message on Schoology, or write it down, and then when I come back on Thursday, ask me and I can help you out. Again, thank you guys for working hard and try really hard to understand this. Again, I apologize for not being in school for the next few days. If you're wondering, yes, the conference I am doing with the training I'm here is going great. It is very busy, and it's hard for me to check your work in Schoology, but I'm trying my best here. But hopefully you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on Thursday, and your video will be up on Wednesday tomorrow. Sounds good? Well, have a great day. Bye-bye.